Yes, good people. Hope you are doing well. It has been a long wait, most definitely, but finally we are delivering this. So we said we are doing the season 3, which is the final session. Then I'll be doing a tutorial. This is a long one for all the processes you need to do when you're designing a cold room and doing any other project. So definitely I want to take you through what we have been able to do in part 1, part 2, and finally what we have today. So as you can see, most of the civil works is done. We are just doing the final touches. We have all the units now running. Let me take you for a walk. So we have this is the first extra unit, that is 24,000 BTU. We have the existing unit, that is 6,000 BTU. And here we have 24,000 BTU. The two are extra. So in total we now have a system of 108 BTU. I know you must, you want to see how we did our finishes. But because we just interested in the height of 2.7, which is somewhere here, we're going to see it inside. The rest is just finishes for mechanical protection of our house. So let's go in and enjoy ourselves. Yes guys, hope you're doing well. So as promised, this is part 3 of our series. This is the internal sphere of our cold room. We said we are doing expansion, and we've been able to see what has been happening, all external aspects of it. So I want you to see how the inside part of our expansion looks like. So these are our panels. You can see there are two different outlines. Let me show you. So we have panels, then we have stainless steel. So, but despite the difference in maybe the coefficients and all that, this one has formed one good space which is sufficient. Our expansion, you can see here we have the first 22,000 BTU, but this is 24,000. 24,000, that's 6,000. We have another 4,000 unit there. So that is it. At least we have delivered the project in a span of maximum of 1 month. And we will complete all the workplace. So thank you for joining us along the process. I think we'll be updating you more about the tutorial that I just shared, and we're going to see how we're going to study and design a code from scratch up to the head of everything. So maybe some small minutes here. You can see we have this is a humidifier, and at the wall we have an hygrometer. That is the control unit for that particular unit, so that it can have humidification. In case you want to do extra humidification, we have it available. So it has been it. Until next time, stay safe. Thank you.